You are at the airport. The check-in agent asks you a question and you don't know what to say. Your flight is in 2 hours. Don't worry, after this conversation, you will know exactly what to say.
Welcome to Interview Reality. David is at the airport today. It is his first international trip. He needs to check in for his flight. Emma is the check-in agent. She will help him with his luggage, his seat, and his boarding pass. Let us listen and learn together. Good morning. Welcome to Sky Air. Where are you flying to today?
Good morning. I'm flying to London. My flight number is SK241.
Perfect. Can I see your passport, please?
Yes, of course. Here it is.
Thank you, Mr. Carter. And do you have your booking reference?
Yes, it's BK7742.
Great. I can see your booking here. You are on the 9:15 flight to London Heathrow. Is that correct?
Yes, that's right.
Perfect. Are you checking in any luggage today?
Yes, I have one suitcase. And I also have this small bag. Can I take it on the plane?
Yes, that's fine. Your small bag can go in the overhead locker. Can you put your suitcase on the scale here, please?
Sure. Is the weight okay?
Your suitcase is 22 kilograms. Your allowance is 23 kilograms. You are fine.
Oh, good. I was a little worried about that.
No need to worry. You are within the limit. Now, do you have a seat preference, window or aisle?
Sorry, what is an aisle seat exactly?
An aisle seat is next to the corridor, so you can get up easily without disturbing anyone. A window seat is next to the window. You can see outside.
I understand. I would like a window seat, please. It is my first time on this route, and I want to see the view.
Of course. I have a window seat in row 14, seat 14A. Is that good for you?
Yes, perfect. Thank you.
You are welcome. Now I need to ask you a few security questions. Did you pack your suitcase yourself?
Yes, I packed it myself this morning.
Has anyone asked you to carry something for them?
No, nobody.
Does your bag contain any liquids, sharp objects, or electronic devices?
I have my laptop and my phone charger, and I have a small bottle of water. Is that a problem?
Water is not allowed through security if it is more than 100 milliliters. You will need to throw it away before the security checkpoint, but you can buy water inside the airport after security.
I see. I will throw it away before I go through. Thank you for telling me. I didn't know that rule.
It is a very common mistake. Many people don't know until they get to security. Now, let me print your boarding pass.
Thank you. What time do I need to be at the gate?
Your boarding time is 8:45. The gate closes at 9 o'clock exactly, so please be there before 9.
Understood. And where is the gate?
Your gate is B12. After security, follow the signs for Terminal B. It takes about 10 minutes to walk there.
10 minutes. Okay. And how long does security usually take in the morning?
It depends, but in the morning, it can be busy. I recommend going through as soon as possible. Give yourself at least 30 minutes.
Good advice. I will go right after this. One question. Is there somewhere I can charge my phone? My battery is quite low.
Yes, there are charging stations in the departure hall near the main cafe area. You will see them clearly when you walk through.
That is very helpful. Thank you.
Of course. One more thing. Can I ask, is this your first time flying internationally?
Yes, it is my first time on a long trip alone. I am a little nervous, honestly.
That is completely normal. You are doing everything right. You are here early, your luggage is within the limit, and you have your documents ready. You will be fine.
Thank you. That is reassuring to hear.
Traveling alone for the first time feels big, but once you are through security, you will feel much more relaxed. The hard part is usually just getting to the airport.
I think you are right. I was more stressed about getting here on time than anything else.
Most people are. Okay, Mr. Carter, you are all checked in. Your seat is 14A, window seat. Boarding at 8:45, gate B12.
Perfect. Thank you so much. You have been very helpful and very kind.
It is my pleasure. Have a wonderful flight to London and enjoy your trip.
Thank you. Goodbye.
Goodbye and safe travels.
Thanks for watching Interview Reality. I hope this conversation helped you understand how to check in at the airport in English, how to answer the agent's questions, ask about your seat, and understand the security rules. These are real phrases you can use on your next trip. If this video helped you, please give it a like. It takes 1 second, and it really supports our channel and helps us create more conversations for you. And subscribe to Interview Reality so you never miss a new episode. See you in the next one.